Right, here we go. We've now finished the scoreboards. This is the little oak Riley diner board, nice English oak, lovely grain running through it. I hope you can see it. My videos are particularly bad, but hopefully it'll be okay. So pleased with that one. The George Edwards one, that's now finished. Now it looks a bit more traditional. Nice button polished finish on that one. Pleased with that. And this is the little Burroughes and Watts one. It's a lovely timber. It's a tiny little board. It's got lovely timber. Had damaged the numerals and the background of the numerals, so we've had to paint that back in and then try and tidy up the numerals as best we can. And then the big Burroughes and Watts one with the chalk slate on the underneath. The chalk slate was broken. We've repaired that, filled in the damage, and then put on some chalk board paint just to even that out. And it was a horrible, very light mahogany wood, so we've had a lot of work to do on this one, colouring it up. But I'm pleased with the way it's come out. It matches the original logo and the numerals, so I'm pleased with that one. Pleased with them all, hopefully. And we'll have another projects next week. But hopefully these will be going on the website fairly soon. Thank you.